What's up, YouTube? This is my cheap skiff build. I got everything I used to build this boat off of Craigslist and OfferUp. Originally built it to keep it and use it as my Puget Sound boat, but ended up just turning it into a flip. I gel coated everything that you see. I remotored the boat and rewired it. Redid all the wood features in it and wired in a system into it. So turned out I was pretty happy with it. Wish I could have kept the boat, but you know how things go. On to the next project. You want something different. So ended up selling it. But yeah, this was a cool little project. Just thought I'd share it. Hope you like it. Like and subscribe. Thank you.